The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's having a better morning than I am. We had some interesting movement on markets. We'll look at that here in a minute. Just give me 1 second. I'm checking on something here. Give me 1 minute. I apologize. I should have got this. Okay, there we go. I apologize. Anyway, we're ready to rock and roll. If I can find my right screen. Morning, JC. How you doing? So, NQ dipped down last night, then suddenly burst up, came back down, and then now is just recently a high day. 188 for the high, 008 for the low, so about 180 points in range. Show you a weird thing that all the markets did last night here in a minute. Copper rising up about 160 ticks. Gold up about 17 points in range. Not up, but 17 points in range. Ultra Bond still under 130. Dipped all the way down to 128.10. About 1 point of range. Natty Gas. About 130 ticks. And the crude oil back to recovering upwards. About 120 ticks. Morning, Deb. Good to see you. So that's where we stand here. Let's switch back over to NQ. Try again to start off the morning with a NQ and hopefully win it. Never Tostep got back to me yesterday and never got back to my reply. So we're still in ETF to this morning. Last night we had this weirdness on the markets. I couldn't find any news, but right after midnight, 12:18 Eastern, we had this huge spike up. But now if it was just NQ or just the indexes, that would be, you know, just whatever, some anomaly. But it happened on crude. It happened on gold. So it was like every, copper, I think copper as well. So it happened to like 7 or 8 different assets all at once. And I couldn't find any news that was any type of driver for it at that time of night. It was weird. That was where, we first stopped. Now we did fall from there, and then rose back up. High of the day is recent, just actually just a few minutes ago. I do have my eggs that I didn't quite get done before it was time to go live, so I'm going to quickly eat them before they get totally ice cold. Okay, that's done. So we'll watch and hopefully get some good trades. Right now we're actually on a trigger. So let me find Tradovate. There we go. Switch over to the NQ. Sitting right on that EMA now. Has sat there for the last couple minutes. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Oh, 1 minute set of signal a little while ago. So, got still have 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes on this candle, so we'll wait and see whether or not we want to take this. Morning, Robin. We're watching. I don't know. There's upward trending bottom bands. The 9-point candle or so. 30 seconds on this candle. Looks like we might bounce here. We shall see. I just got a little stuffy nose. Sinuses. I need to blow my nose here in a minute. Sinuses get me in the morning, especially when the weather gets cooler. There we go. Nose blown. Sinuses drained a bit. We're good, I hope. Morning, Burl. I'm glad I didn't take that short. Oh, now it decided to go. Take the short here. We'll see what happens. If I lose, then I go back to micros just like yesterday. Morning, Dakota. Up. It bounced right on where I decided to get in. See if it comes back up and hits that EMA. I shouldn't have taken it based on the fact that I was already. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. Another great way to start the morning here. Sheriff. And nope. Well, back down. Oh, come on. Give me something to look forward to this morning. Push that down. We're down 3.5 points. Hopefully, this is just another green candle as we head to a red candle. That's what I'm hoping. Morning, Kim. There we go. Yeah, I was almost giving up on that trade. Let's see if we can get a win. A win would be great. A win would be wonderful. Target hit. There we go. Huh. Okay, let's turn volume on my headset, and I have something playing. I have no idea what I'm listening to. I gotta figure that one out too. But yep, first trade of the day is a winner. 195 after commission. Let me change the P. Well, let me run the beautiful bean footage first. Thanks, Kim. Thanks, Dakota. Burl, thank you. So, good way to start. Good way to start. 10 points. Didn't go much further there either, so got out good timing. Matter of fact, it only went 2 more ticks. Now it could continue down after the screen candle or whatever, but so good, good, good. Now, I was going to do something real quick and I forget what it was. 100% forget what it was. Wow, yeah, big, big move back up. Oh, that's what I was doing. I'm trying to figure out what the heck I'm hearing in my headset. Huh. Let's see. What the heck do I got playing? I don't see anything. Boom, boom, boom. Always fun when you hear something playing in the back of your. Give me a minute here because this is starting to bother me. Okay, so I can't figure out what the heck I hear in my headphones. Kind of disturbing. Give me a minute. Sorry, guys. Ooh, wow. Quick move back up here. Not taking this, but it is a trigger. Says it's coming from Chrome. Okay. So let's see. The mystery of what the heck I'm listening to. Guess we'll just turn it off and figure it out later. I like to have sounds on, but hey, whatever. And it's still trying to come up here. Morning, Matt. Nope. See there, coming back down. Coming back down, down, down. We're about 10 minutes from the top of the hour. Uh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 53, 56 tabs across 5 separate windows. So if this goes back to red, we're going to jump in short again. Maybe it doesn't look like it's going to easily go back to red though. So a little bit of barcoding here. See the 1 minute, that was a big 1 minute candle. And it immediately bounced right back up. So we'll wait on that. I've probably some points have more than 80 open, so that's actually down right now for me. I'm actually closing some now that I didn't need to have open. At least you were polite about it, Burl. May I ask? What the hell? I just keep a lot of stuff open that, I don't like researching for stuff or and re-entering URLs, so it just sits there. Back up. That another trigger candle back up that I don't want to take. So we're waiting. It's still a mystery of what the heck is playing where. It was like a talk show, and I don't like listen to like talk stuff usually, with the exception of Burl's podcast. Aha! I found it. I accidentally left the tab open from when I watched the baseball game yesterday. Oh yes, thank you, Dakota. Thank you for getting me back on track there. News today. Of course, every Thursday we have jobless claims. Let's see what else we have. So mystery solved. Life is a mystery. Everyone must stand alone. Anyway, jobless claims. Oh darn, we missed the Turkish weekly repo rate. Anyway, 8:30 jobless claims. Philly Fed Business Index, U.S. continued jobless claims, U.S. existing home sales. And then, I'm sorry, the existing home sales is at 10. And 10:30 natural gas inventories. Then you have, in the afternoon, you have a bunch of Fed speakers. So be careful around 1:30 to 2. Last night, a Fed speaker, there was one in the evening, which is very rare, and he helped crash the market for a little bit. Yep, I should have taken that trigger. Nice move up there. But if we move back here, we can turn back time. This is where the Fed speaker spoke. And the market quickly dumped. He said something about moving 2023's interest rate increases into 2022, meaning going faster. So market didn't like that. Market didn't like that at all. So the nice move back up. Let's see if it sustains. We're still below my moving average on the RSI. So I don't like taking longs when it's down there, but this one would have worked. Give me a second here. I need to compare something, and then I will be back. Okay. Just give me 1 sec. I apologize, folks. Okay, sorry about that. Trying to figure out some algo issues. Apologize for being quiet. I know people don't like when this stream goes totally silent. Which is why I need to hire a mariachi band. So popping up here, top of the hour, 30 minutes to that news we talked about earlier. Trying to get above, but I think we're going to come back down, honestly. But I could be wrong. The fact that I'm still broke shows I'm more often wrong than right. But hopefully we're changing that. So, okay, let's get back in the game. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little absent-minded. My mood isn't the greatest this morning. My focus needs to get better. This is obviously has moved up better than I thought, especially after the consolidation. Down, up, 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 up. See what everything else is doing. Oop. Gold, yeah, kind of icky, icky. That's sticky, icky. Nice move there on crude. I actually took some time last evening and checked out crude. Let's turn back time on crude. And crude does very well with the system, or at least it did. I only did the 3 days for this week so far, but it's interesting. I may need to start checking out crude more. It did just send me like a trigger candle there, and that would have been beautiful down for like 20 ticks. So be starting to watch that as well. Copper, drop it like it's copper. I don't know. Been heading up all night long tonight. Uh, boop, 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 boop. Agriculture's been choppy. I noticed agriculture does not usually go into like an all-night trend at all. It seems always to be very choppy. But we're seeing this as a missed opportunity for sure. It popped up about 20, 30 points here off that trigger. Uh, Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin did drop under 19,000 again. Yeah, last night. Back up over again. It's. I have nothing against crypto. I just, my Twitter, because I originally, when I set up the MightyOxTrading Twitter account, I picked, cryptocurrencies as an interest. Because, there is an interest. I do have an interest in them. And so it shows me all these different tweets about cryptocurrency. And it's just like 75% of it is just so cultish. Like, buy the dip now because it's going to be $500,000 by 2030. Or, you know, like every time it just sniffs above 20,000. Oh, we're going to be 25,000 by next week. And it's just like, and I realize that most likely this is the same type of thing that happens with stocks, especially like penny stocks. Yep, get it now before it goes to the moon. But I don't know, it just seems a little bit heavier on the crypto side. And it's just like, What if Bitcoin's value is 20,000? If that's the value for now. Stop trying to pump it to where he's gonna say it's gonna double by the end of the year or whatever. Maybe maybe Bitcoin's value is where it's at right now. Like I said, I'm grumpy this morning. But if you like hearing my grumpiness or you're enjoying today's content, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Continue to try and grow the channel. Our growth has stagnated. My views are down. Right now, nothing seems to be going right. But yeah, I mean, the whole thing, that's the thing with Bitcoin. Maybe, Bitcoin not going back to all-time highs now, or, even for whatever, it doesn't mean that Bitcoin's useless or Bitcoin's bad or anything like that. It might just be its value at this point. You know, Same way, Ethereum saw the big drop partly with, the regular rest of the crypto, and also since it went to proof of stake. Maybe Ethereum's new value is somewhere between 1,200 and 1,400. Or, as much as crypto doesn't want to admit it, crypto might just be in the same class as tech stocks or other growth stocks. Obviously crypto's not stocks, but in that same area where it's gonna just completely ebb and flow with the market cycles. And obviously we're in a down market right now compared to the all-time highs. I mean, Bitcoin's all-time highs came close to the same time that Nasdaq's all-time highs were. So, as much as the crypto people try and say, well, we're not correlated at all, it's correlated. And it uh, might just be something that goes in the same market cycles, whether they want to admit it or not. But you'll get your head bitten off if you by some crypto people if you even suggest that. You could, I mean, there was a point where you could overlay Bitcoin's chart and you could over with Nasdaq's, and Q's chart, and it was so eerily similar. It's not as exact right now, but it's still pretty close. And Q pulling back here, down 15 points. We're about 21 minutes from news. Oh, you know what? I didn't bring up my own stream on my phone this morning. Oops. Yeah, maybe getting a trigger candle back down. Got 2.5 minutes on it though. There we go. Bouncing here. So we're in this little state of flux. Just a little state of flux. Just hanging right here on the EMA now. Hanging. 1 minute shows it wants to come down. I kind of try to stick to the 3. Let's see if it gives me triggers. Trigger, trigger, trigger. Hey, Rod. I lost my Tradovate. There we go. Taking the short here. A little bit of a move back up. Being pushed down. Just being a little wonky here. Let's hope it doesn't grow out to be a big wonky. 90 seconds on this 3-minute candle. Haven't really gone far, luckily. How you doing today or tonight, Rod? Watching this come down. Come on, push it down. It's just hanging right there at that EMA. Keeps touching it, gets slapped away. Hey, DPP. Morning, Chris. Good to see you. Yep. It's actually now triggering back up. Yep. Stopped out. It's always nice. So we're back down to the negative on the day. By $18. Wow. Okay, so actually taking the trigger candle back up. I'm trying to think. Yeah. Yeah. Just didn't work out. Didn't I? I didn't deviate from my plan there. I mean, except for this being slightly uptrending. That's just one that didn't work out. It's that frustrated. I've already, one win up, one win down. I want something sustained. I mean, this system, you can see here now. I mean, I wasn't awake yet for this last trigger. I mean, that one trigger there. But, that was two in a row. This one wouldn't have worked, but that one would have. Looks like, and that one would have. So I took the wrong one there. But based on my strategy, that was the one that was wrong is usually the right one. So well, I am really trying to shake this bad mood I'm in, but that didn't help. Should never trade in a bad mood. But sticking to the plan. Oops. So watching it here. It's like, obviously it's right now it's like just like a pullback to the bigger move. So we're seeing divergence between the bottom and the top. So struggling here again. 11,163. We're about 10 minutes away from those news reports. We just went the wrong direction there. Back up to 111. I'm sorry, 11,175. High of the day, 11,188. moving on up. Just hit high a day. And trying to get up to 11,200. It just came close. Nope, it did touch 200. 202, pulling back a little bit. Coming into this news, so you can see here after we came down in Asia, consolidated a bit, then that weird move up right after midnight, pulled back, and then another sharp move up, pulling back, and then since about an hour after Europe opened, we've just been pretty much straight come up with this one pullback. Just trying to pull down here a little bit. Yeah. Hey, Crypticon. I didn't realize they came through the mic. Wow. 205's the high. About 3 minutes till news. Pulling down. Oh, I totally forgot about Ultra Bond open. That was a nice little boost up there on the Ultra Bond. I you know, gotta start remembering that. Though that was ugly kind of consolidation before that. It's been tough to tell that it wanted to do that. Stretching here. Pulling down now. Obviously not going to take any trades right here until I get into the news. But that's actually having a good little pullback signal. Could have got a little something out of that. Okay. 10 seconds till the news. Whoa, 33 people here. Welcome, guys. Where did you all come from all of a sudden? Crypticon, you bring them? Whoa, news popped down. Wow, that jumped down 27 points there. Right back up, right back down. Let's go check what the news was. Whoa, that news, the Prime Minister of the UK is about to resign. And the jobless claims 214, they forecast 231, so that was showing the job market is still pretty strong. U.S. Philly Fed Business Index actual negative 8.7. The forecast was negative 5. So that was a miss as well. Jobless claims though much better than expected. And now we're back to so a big burst down and we're back to a green candle on the 3-minute. You can see here the 1-minute much different. Wow, though not much different. Yeah, that ended at wow, boom. New high a day. Look at this go. New high a day 219. Pulling back down though. Just a bit wild here. Wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild west. So any UK folks here? Never heard where I had anybody from the UK. Well, every now and then, but no regular. Just curious. Nice job, Chris. It's quite the 3-minute. I mean, the 1-minute looks cleaner, but 3-minute candle here. saved you all from the sneeze of doom. So we're watching this. It's not really giving direction. It's up and down. It's left, it's right. You're up and you're down. You're left and you're right. Little Katy Perry. Trying to come back down on one here. Wow, strong move down. So now we hit a high of 219 and has already pulled back about 50 points, 55 points. There's a trigger on the 3. We have about a minute to go, a little over a minute to go on the candle though. So it's a big candle, 40 points. Do I want to take the short? That is the question right there. That is the question. Wow, 50 points now in this 3-minute candle. Taking the short. Let's hope we still got more in it. If not, we're going to micros because that is the. Oh wow! Yep, it had more in it. There we go. Now got 11 points out of that. $220 win in like I think it was like 5 seconds. Let's go look. Then I will update the P&L. 7 seconds for $220. Boom, boom, boom. I believe that's a pretty good hourly rate. It's got $220 in 7 seconds, Justin. Puts me up on the day by 196. 2 out of 3 wins so far. So let's see. Seven seconds. Divided by 7. 8. That's 8. 8.5. Times 220. That comes out to $112,000 an hour. That's a good hourly rate. Yeah, it's just a little bit less than what Justin gets paid there fixing cars. Yeah, yes it did. It dropped over 100 points in less than 10 minutes. Now it's bouncing again. Big bounce though. We got down to 116. It's back up to 136. Those unemployment numbers and stuff. They didn't. They've been doing big moves in the last few weeks. What for? A few weeks there. It seems like they didn't really move the market any, but that was quite the move. After it was unsure, but now some of this might be because of the Prime Minister news out of the UK. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond also fell. Little pop back up there as well. Let's see. Gold spiked down. Crude spiked down. Everything kind of spiked down. Everybody look what's going round. Yeah. Even natural gas. And usually natural gas doesn't care. Bitcoin. Oh, there it goes down again. There goes their hopes of 20K. So, waiting for the next move. Pull one down. So, I was really hesitant on this right here because usually big candles often reverse first. But I decided to go for it. So happy I got that win. The only mistake was here. This was my mistake this morning where I took this short and it didn't work. I would take that all day long. But the real mistake was I got stopped out and then I didn't take the trigger back up. This was a trigger back up. I got stopped out and I could have got another win there and got it right back. On this elite account, it's a $2,000 profit target. That's only 10. That's 10 10-point wins. It sounds so simple. And with the static drawdown, it's easier than if that drawdown was trailing. So, let's see. But we are coming back down toward Chris's target, or call, or whatever you want to call it. About 45 minutes until the bell. Not sure how many to the whistle. Ah, Bust or Billions, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Feel free to say hello in the chat and introduce yourself if you want to. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you coming on the channel. Joining the herd. Yep, there we go. Just broke through Chris's call. There you go. Hello, Bust. I'm loving it. So, move down here. Obviously, he's got a ways to go before low a day. We'll see where it goes. Seems like everything's dropping. Gold's dropping. Crude's dropping. Mau. Copper dropping. I'm still a little stuffy this morning. So I apologize if you hear a sniffle every now and then. Hopefully it goes away soon. Hopefully. Okay, so it's down there trying to break through 11,100. It's gotten down to 1102. No, it's 1102, yeah, 11,102. Yep, there's the break. So we're continuing to head down. So over the course of since 8:30 when we hit 219, it is now 17 minutes later and we've dropped about 120 points. As the NQ drops, so are the days of our lives. Trying to get my gosh darn sinuses to drain. You know, if you put your head back and you tug your earlobes in a backward direction, it drains your eustachian tubes and your sinuses. Health tip from Ox. We'll put in that request for you, Burl. Watching it pop back up. So just that quick. We hit 0.97. We popped all the way back up to 41, almost a 50-point pop back up. Trying to give Burl his request. Crude's still dropping. That's quite a big quick drop here. It spiked up to 86.43, down to 85.53, so almost a full point over the last less than half an hour. Gold moved down. Q touching its EMA. Quite inappropriately, I might add. And back down. That's an interesting. That's a bullish engulfing. I still have 90 seconds on it though. It's a big move down. I thought about taking it as soon as I saw it kind of bounce off that EMA. I should have. I should have. So we got 15 seconds to decide whether I want to take this short. I'm not going to. Based on the one, I'm not going to. We'll see if I'm wrong or right. Should have taken it right off that bounce. So let's see where it goes. Burl's requests are in. Hey, John. Hi, Andy. My time frame is a 3 minute. And yep, they lost game 2 of the last series too, and then did the work in Philly. Hey, chef. So I should have taken it. It would have gone to Target or Kohl's or maybe Walmart. Wow, really would have went to Target and you pushed back down under 11,100. That was a perfect bounce off that EMA and down, 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 down. Top of the hour, crude desk opens. So definitely a move down here, not listening to what Burrow wants. The crawling back up that candle. So 30 minutes till the bell. Which way will we go today? So crawling back up. 52 points. Oh wait, you need 52 points in ES. Yeah, that's gonna be a tall order, but market will like that. That's like I think it's about like between 150 and 200 points NQ if correlated. Nope. So far, it's denying your request. Burrow denying your request. Did crude do at the open? Crude spiked up at the open. Oh, no, spiked down, came back up. Now it's trying to continue its move down. And gold continuing its move down. It's once again trying to head down toward that game 1600 mark. We're waiting for our next entry. We're up 196 on the day. I want to thank everyone for joining me here today. Hope you're enjoying the stream. If you are, I would appreciate you hit that like button. That thumbs up tells YouTube you like us and helps other people find us, like Buster Billions found it. How did you find us, Buster Billions? If you're still here. Rising back up. It's trying. This wasn't a real smooth move down, down, big move back up, down, trying to come back. Yeah, saved you from another sneeze of doom. Morning, Ace. Yeah, you should add some oxygen to that list, Ace. Food, shelter, and water doesn't do much without oxygen. Uh, I'm up on the day. That's positive. Taylor Swift's new album drops tonight. That's a positive. But overall, I'm in a crappy mood. So we're kind of hanging here. Probably gonna not do much till the open, but I could be always wrong about that. Not always wrong, but you know what I mean. Kind of waiting, watching now. Check out how the 1 minute looked in all this. So 1 minute, eh. Actually, 1 minute's giving us a signal right now, but it's kind of an ugliness. Regret not playing that bounce. Nice. So is he a trade? Is he doing trading, or are you trying to get him into it? Yep. And that is, a debate that I know some internal debates that we've had. Ace is the same way with trying to decide between, going for a runner on one versus just taking a profit target. And, eventually I think I'd like to do, if I ever, got to where I, could do it, like 3 contracts, letting 2 hit target, trying to let 1 run. But overall, I need to kind of see whether or not, overall, which is better. How many times does that runner decide that it wants to pass out and pull back to the starting point versus actual run and picking up additional points? So right now, yeah, my goal is just just to hit target. I'm going for 10, and I mean I just need to do that 10 times, and then this account's passed. I mean, obviously you're gonna have losers in there, but pull one down here. We are 19 minutes from the belt. Now that wasn't really a touch on the EMA, but yeah, this feels like it wants to come back down. I don't know. Yeah, maybe not. RJ! RJ! We were ready to put out missing persons reports and put your face on a milk carton, except for I didn't have a face for you, so I was gonna have to like put up an NQ symbol. Welcome back. Hope you had fun. Hope you enjoyed yourself, enjoyed the break. Hope you still remember how to trade. Hey, Black Beauty, welcome. Good to see you. Ace, RJ's here. Seriously, there was a time I was getting a little worried, which is why Ace decided to email you. It's always, worrisome when someone goes to meet somebody and then they like disappear longer than you expected them to. Hey, Zabak. Hey, CBR. The gang's all here today. Wow, it says there's almost 40 people here today. What's excellent. Hey, playa. I'm glad to hear that, RJ. Glad to hear it was a good experience. How you doing, CBR? How's the trading going? Zabak, how you been? Remember to hit that like button for me, folks. Good number of people here. Love to see that like button hit. That's all I ask. Hey, Tay, welcome. How are things going for you? As we're just kind of hanging out here. Ooh, we're at 11111. Should you make a wish? Wow, good job, CVR. Yeah, I was a little worried, RJ, that Seth might have kidnapped you to make you come back to his stream. Oh, great. So now we got to replace the like button. YouTube's not going to like that. Thank you. Trying to, again, it's just kind of hanging on the EMA there. Waiting and watching. Let's see what else. Oh, Crude's made a nice little bounce here. Back up. Back up. Continue to try and drain my sinuses here. Uh, so we are less than 15 minutes to the bell. Excuse me. I'm back. It's up to the EMA. Hey, Speed Racer. So we're watching here. I don't think, obviously, well, it's trying to send me a signal here. I don't like it, though. We'll see where it goes. Oh. Ended up being a waste of money then, CBR? Home on the range, with a deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word. Sorry, that was all Ace's fault. So this stays below that EMA. Let's what's the Ultra Bond doing? I kind of forgot about the Ultra Bond Dakota. I haven't heard you much today. Ultra Bond not giving you anything? Looking at it here real quick, since I think he's not really doing anything. Oops. So I blew up the wrong chart anyway. This is the Ultra Bond so far today. Long right here. And short there. Couple of decent entries there. This one right here, these little ones might have faked me out, but probably not because it's been right before they opened, so I probably wouldn't have taken it there. Nice. Nice, Dakota. You're a little quiet today, so I wasn't sure. So we're about 8 minutes. It's trying to pop up here, but it's just, Burrow might finally be getting his move up. Cool. Oh, Burrow? Yeah, it's kind of trying to trigger me into a long here, too. Probably just going to watch it. Remind you folks that a little over 2 weeks ago, MightyOxTrading launched a Discord. If you haven't already joined us there, we'd love to have you there. It's building a nice little community. We got trader talk, we got prop firm talk, we got some beer money talk, and we got a place to just shoot the you know what among about just about any Any subject outside of politics and religion. Love to have you come over and join us there if you haven't already. Ace is going long. Ace can't figure out Discord. We're going to get him there eventually, though. Also, reminder, I haven't made a graphic for it yet, but in 2 weeks, the first week of November, we have two huge events. November 2nd, FOMC. November 4th, non-farm payrolls. That's the day I always do my overnight London stream. So you're going to have two 8.5 hour to 9 hour streams within 3 days. Basically, 17 hours of me in, no, I'm sorry, 20 hours of me within about a 50-hour period of time. Good job on getting a point there, Ace. Thanks for that, Chris. That reminder. Yep. Hanky panky. Yep, and I see it coming back down. That's a pretty big come down. So what do we think? Up or down for the market today? I know Burrow's hoping for up. So we watch. Crude coming down. I'm sorry, crude heading up. Gold coming down. Gold, crude. What's the difference? No kidding. Copper with a nice bounce. Natural gas bouncing a bit. So 2 for 3 this morning, up 196 after commissions. Let's hope we can continue that momentum. Eh, I am, can't say I'm happy today either, but the trading's okay. Just I'm getting tired of life kicking me in the teeth at times here. But I'm trying not to show that in my trading or to the stream. The share version thing is really hurting me, and it's weighing on my mind. 2 minutes to go to the bell, to the whistle. May need to suspend the streams for a couple of days to try and focus on making enough money to pay the bills next month. So keep that in mind. Not sure yet. We head down into the bell. 20 seconds. Ding 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 ding. Ring a ding ding. Popping up by 13, 20, 21. About 20 points up. A little stagnant here. I'll go to our 5-minute charts. How about that? For now, ES up about 2 points. NQ up about 30. ES lagging a little bit behind. But not, so far, not a explosive open. 35, 37 there. 46 points. So yeah, we got some oomph now. 5 on ES. So ES is kind of lagging. It's about almost 8 to 1. ES about go red. What do you mean my clock is wrong? And pull it back. Hit the live button. You apparently lagging a bit, Chris. Yeah, it's 9:30. Well, I'm on the central time zone, so it shows my local time on screen. As we're pulling back down. I talk in Eastern time because it's easier, but the times you see on my screen are all going to be in Central time. So still up 34 points on this opening 5-minute candle. ES, only 3. ES is not showing the same strength NQ is. The 3 minute. The 3 minute did send the signal, but I wouldn't. I mean, it worked. It was a good trigger, but that big wick down kind of scary. 1 minute, eh? One, yeah. Don't think I would have liked it on the 1 minute either. But yeah, just remember I'm in a different time zone than the East Coast, so the times you see on my screen, you just gotta adjust for your own. Because I'm in the middle of corn and soybean land in central Illinois. Coming back, okay, so the opening 5 minute candle ended up being 31 points. ES ended up only being 3 points, and now we're heading back down. Nice bounce back down. We'll see if it heads back up. So it was a trigger candle for short, but this looks more choppy than what I like. Although, never mind, that would have worked as well. So this one would have worked even though it turned out to be a red candle because I was only been going for 10 points. So I could have got 10 points there, could have got 10 points there. Good luck on that, Crypticon. Short does seem to be the direction it kind of wants to do now. But also seems a little bit indecisive. Looking for another trade. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Popping up. Or trying to. See, this is very, ugh, very choppy. Very choppy. Choppy. It's a chop fest. So looking for direction. Let's look at crude here while NQ decides what it wants to do. I said earlier about crude being, I swear I marked something on crude, but I guess I didn't. Crude being pretty, looking like it's pretty good. This would have been a good trigger down. This would have been a good trigger up. They seem more clear. It seems like it does less chop on the EMA. There. There. So 4 straight would have worked. This is the only one. Actually, this one would have worked too because of that nice little pop-up. check on that NQ here in a minute. But so the last 5 trigger candles there would have worked without issue for at least 20 ticks. Maybe it's time to join Black Beauty and Crude. Ew, that is just an ugly chart right now. Up, down, up, down. Everybody look what's going round. Yep. Thanks for that reminder. Yep, we do have housing starts in 20 minutes. Not sure when we have housing stops yet, but starts are in 20 minutes. That was the lamest joke I've come up with yet. Oh, agriculture opened up. Right now, this is untradeable for me. Thanks, Ace. Ooh, big move down there. So maybe it's, wow, there we go. Almost 50 points down here. But another bounce. Wow. Look at this. This is just all over the place. And wow, so 26 points back up on this one. Look at this. This is just, I don't know how to trade this, so I'm not going to trade it. Wow, that's quite the candle. Watching. So it's been struggling to get back above, looks like 160 area. That's where it failed there. And not able to break down through that 90 area. Not 80 to 90. So that's the range we're in. It's a huge range. But it's hard to trade because each candle does something different. There's no trend as of right now. And as we all know, the trend's our friend. But that said, just like a lot of friends, that trend can backstab you at any moment. Turn that knife. Sorry, that went a little dark. Anywho, trying to push up here. I mean, this obviously looked like a reversal candle, but everything is so wonky right now. Technical trading term, wonky. And our 1 minute ATR right now is over 20. Hey, Kieran. Good to see you. I don't see you as much since I stopped doing Asia streams. I think you added the wrong person there, Ace. I think you meant to at RJ, not at Crypticon. Yep, now we gotta rise up. Now we're moving up. We finally got a direction, so I should have taken the cue off of that stick person there and went up. As you can see, we've gone up 50 points over the last two candles. So 15 minutes after the bell found its footing. Quite the footing it is. So in the last 10 minutes, it's gone from 0.91 up to 196. So 10 minutes, 100 points. Back up to 200, touched 200, came back down. Pull them down. Follow the price. It always knows. Sorry, that didn't work well. Toucan Sam. News in 10 minutes. And we also have natural gas inventories. I'm not sure anyone here trades natural gas, but natural gas inventories at 10:30. Excellent. RJ, glad to see you back in the saddle. Well, not really. I don't think anyone should trade while sitting on a horse, but unless you come from a long line of horse traders. Oh, cool, Kieran. I've never heard you mention it, so. Plus 420. Nice. Ouch of the down 2K. Yeah, so we just got above this recent high here, right? That was right at the news high. We're up to 224. High a day. I'm about to sneeze again. Nope, nope, went away. So we're at high day, 226. Yesterday's highs, still well above at 382. But the morning highs after the open was only 284. This hourly candle is 140 points right now. I never learned to ride a bicycle. What'd CL just do? Oh, wow. Boom on CL. And you can see here, if I've been paying attention to CL and trading it, this has been a great entry candle right here, even though it never turned the EMA. But boom, yeah, that's rising up there nicely. And Q continues to try and step up this 11 to 20 area. Dude, RJ, he's gotten weird while you were gone. One day he did ramen noodles for breakfast. Nice win though, John. That's very good. John, you doing anything with your algo now, or are you still working on reconfiguring it? I'm sorry to hear that, John. I, I remember that Cosby thing. It has flour. It has milk. It has eggs. Chocolate cake. Okay, I'm sorry to hear that, John. And I'll keep that in mind, and I'll just wait until next time you bring it up to ask. So, 229. We are about 2 minutes 45 seconds away from news. That's really irresponsible, RJ. What if it gets addicted to that high? You should be getting the Dow high. No, he tries to cover his tracks. He didn't inhale. Pulling back. Good job, RJ. Glad to have you back. But I swear, if you ever leave like that again, we're getting a chip implanted into your skin so we can track your whereabouts. Pulling down a little bit here, about 10 points. This is where things start getting boring because we don't get any real entries when things are this far away from the EMA. I don't like to take other types of trades. I did do a great reversal trade yesterday, but I don't have any of those signals there. Yeah, not far away from that target. Just hit 93. Little bouncy rebounds there though. Oh, right back up. Wow, big move back up 20 points. Up back up to 11,220. So this would have been our good trigger right here. That was a red candle. This showed that buyers are coming in for this move. And what a move it was. Almost 100 points. Bullish engulfing here slightly, but well, it's got to see it really burst through here. You can see this is kind of the same area it struggled with yesterday. Yeah, that one move up above, but it quickly came back down, and that's where it started its down move of the day. Oh, I totally forgot about news. Duh. So there is a slight burst up. So here we're talking about news, and then I just totally forgot about it anyway. U.S. existing home sales actual 4.71 million. Forecast was 4.7 million, so just a very slight beat. Existing home sales change actual negative 1.5%, and U.S. leading index change month over month negative 0.4%. Forecast was negative 0.3%. Did try to move up. $244, 244, new high a day. So yeah, one dip down and then the rip back up on news. Now we're approaching the 10:30 where things often reverse. So keep our eye on that. Moving up. Still trying to get up to 11.2, trying to get to 11.250. Market likes those round numbers. Up, move right through 250. 260. Can it take us higher? A little spike up yesterday in this same hour. Got up to 284. You can see that's kind of a resistance area as those other candles were topped out at about 290, 292. So that'll be the area we're going to watch on this move up. Can it break it and get up to above 300? Or is that the area we're going to turn on a dime and come back down? 270. Yes, I am. 3-minute chart. Why? So, about an hour to go in the stream, a little less. Looking for another good trade, but right now I'm not seeing it. Though we are starting to get a little overextended to the upside. So we'll see whether or not we get a reversal. Why is there a problem, Chris? 274. And push up to that. We just wow. So we hit 293 there. Pull back. Uh, Chris, hit the live button on your thing. You might be just lagging behind the video. Usually my lag is only about 4 to 5 seconds. Good luck there, Burrow. We hit 293, which was about that same resistance area I just talked about. Right here. It seems like you're behind, Chris. I'm not sure why. So there's a button to hit to get to the live, where it catches up to the live minute. Sounds like you're a little bit laggy behind me. Right this second. Right this second at 10:11 Eastern. It's at 11:283. And the clock had just turned to 10:11 Eastern. So if you hear that anytime more than 5 seconds after 10:11 Eastern, it means you're lagging behind. Anybody else lagging? Can you tell me? You can, hold on. Right now, my time is on the screen. Yeah, that's you lagging, not me. Because Ace also said 2 minutes at the same time I did. Chris, you can see my clock on the screen. Compare it to yours and tell me, like, how far off you are. And there should be a button for you to hit that says live. That should bring you back to very little lag. I mean, normally I'm running 4 to 5 seconds lag. I'll leave that clock up for a minute, at least until I need to hit a button. I mean, do something on the screen, so I can see whether or not Chris can compare. Well, yeah, it's going to be an hour different, but go by the minute there, Chris. By the minute. You're seeing Central Time versus Eastern Time. So, yeah, there's going to be an hour difference, but I'm talking about, like right. Hold on. No, you're 2 minutes behind. Trust me, this is in your end, Chris. There is a button to hit to go back to live. Yeah, it's 10:14 right now as well. That's exactly what I'm showing. Yep, for everybody else, we're only 5 seconds behind. So hold on, let me see if I can. Let me get the scene off thingy off first. Let me see if I can show you where to hit that button. Gotta look at my own channel. Eek. Let's see if I can find it here. Are you on PC or mobile, Chris? Okay, this is gonna get weird, but you're now seeing my stream on my stream. But down here, there's a thing that says live. Hit that right where my cursor is. It's a little hard to see, but right there, live. Hit that and see if it moves you up to the actual live. That's kind of freaky looking. But yeah, just hit that little live. Right now, it shows me if it should show a red dot next to it if you're at the actual live portion. And if there's no red dot, it means you're lagging behind. So just hit that little live, and that'll get you back to live. That's trippy. Uh, okay, and that's fine, Chris. I still think you're lagging. Everybody else is okay, so it's not me. It has to be on your side that the actual broadcast is lagging. Not that your computer clock is off or anything. You're just seeing a slightly delayed broadcast. It's not anything with your time now. My time says the exact same thing as yours. It's just for some reason the video is lagging for you. That's why you should hit that live button. T TEL 886912338986. Welcome and thanks for subscribing. I will call you Tal. Feel free to Uh, Feel free to say hello in the chat. Introduce yourself if you want to. Appreciate you joining us. So we're pulling back here a little bit. Yeah, it's I don't I wish I knew. Okay, Crypticon, I would smack you if you were doing that. But second of all, we only have about a 4 to 5 second lag at the very most. Yeah, I know you wouldn't do that, Crypticon. So yeah, but yeah, if it's ever lagging and it's only lagging for you and not for everybody else, that's on your side. Now, sometimes every now and then, if you see a swirling circle, that's on my side. That means my internet's being stupid. And then you just need to hit that live button again to get back to live. Nice. Good. Excellent. Glad to hear it. Excellent. Excellent. We used to have like a 15-second lag until I found a setting, ultra low latency, which makes it that, that 3 to 5 second lag, which is good, except for any little internet blip can cause a swirling circle because it doesn't cache as much. Well, there we go. Try to head up. Try to hit 300 here. That we just did. There's the hit of 11,300. Moving up 307. So we burst through this back here. Now it's still got a long ways to go for yesterday's Globex high of 382, but we are above 300. Last two hourly candles, and this hourly candle, wow, we've gone up over 100 points in just the 19 minutes of this hourly candle after a 118 point candle last hour. Since that little walking stick there, boom. Burl's a happy man right now. I forget where he said he got in. Burl, 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 burl. 37.16. ES is up to. ES is up to 37.46. Oh, there's your 30 points, Burl. 30 out of what? Did you say you wanted? 52? Yep. It's like a rocket, man. And look at gold go as well. Gold's up 10 points in the last 20 minutes. Can you still feel them, Chef? Okay, I'll keep an eye on that for you, Burrow. At least until the end of the stream. This is quite the rise here, right? Quite the rise. Oh, wait, now you gotta make me do math. You got in at 16, right? 37.16. So 37.68. Okay. Keep an eye on that. 328. So, only 2 red candles this entire way. Do you take a maximum of 5 trades a day, Speed Racer? Is that what you're saying there? How's everyone's P&L looking today? I know Ace got his. I know Burrow's up, but it's unrealized. I know RJ got good wins. Chris has up nicely. I know Crypticon's up. Cool. Speed Racer, that's good discipline. That's a good way to just get in, get out. There we go. Chef is yellow. Dakota's up, but Dakota's quiet today. Everything all right there, Dakota? John's up. Okay. Any particular reason? Do we scare you away, or did were we distracting you? I'm just curious. I always get curious when people change. Nice job, Dakota. Yes, it is. 595 is a great day. I'm just, you know, just basically kidding with you there, Dakota. Enjoy the stream any way you feel the most comfortable. Just let me know you're alive every now and then. Pulling back just a tad. Oh no, I love hearing your UV. I plan on, and matter of fact, I was even someone was asking about treasury trading on the Discord yesterday, and I was even like, because they were looking for someone to bounce ideas off of, whatever. I said, I live stream and we have some treasury traders there. I don't want this, I want the stream to be open to everybody. We used to have a bunch of crew traders, and I haven't really heard from them lately. Have a good day, Chris. Rising up. So we're at 200 on the day. We're 196. Doesn't seem like we're gonna. I mean, we're at half an hour away. Let's see if we get anything else. Pulling back some now. Wow, big pullback. Wow, right on the. There's that 10:30 pullback we talk about. This is the 1 minute. Up, down, up, down, up, down. I've been working off the three. The three has a ways to go. I want to take it on the one. Meh, it's below the Bollinger there, so I don't think so. I'm gonna watch it though here on the one. We'll see. I'm gonna go for it. Ooh, quickly burst down and then whipped back up. Unfortunately, and down again. It's whippy. Taking the profit there. I didn't like how whippy that was. I was afraid it's going to burst back up. I think it's going to hit our profit target, but I was okay with taking 6 points there. No, 4 points. Sorry, math. So that was $85 we added to there. So we are now up 277 on the day. Quick, quick scalp. Did I say we're up? Hey, you could 277. Well, I probably should. I should have Crypticon. Wow, that's a that's a big target there, Kieran. Yeah, I mean, eh. Well, let's see if it if it's gonna continue to come down, it's gonna eventually give me a signal on the 3, and I'll get back in. Right now, it's hanging right up at the area I got out at. Just hanging here, hanging. But yeah, folks, message overall, we want we want to hear about your trading. Whether doesn't matter if you're trading the indexes or the bonds or lean hogs or lumber or coffee or orange juice. Don't be afraid to speak up and tell us what you're trading and how you're doing with it. I do have an interest in the Ultra Bond. I just haven't been working on it because I've been just kind of trying to hone this new 3-minute strategy and all. And especially with the tight drawdown on ETF, the static drawdown. I don't want to really dive into it, but I think my three major assets going forward, once I'm gonna focus on, probably three would be the Ultra Bond, crude oil, and Q. So yeah, but yeah, this is a place for everybody, no matter what you trade. And we want to, I love hearing about people that trade different things. I kid about lean hogs, but I think it'll be a good conversation piece if I could ever get it to the point where I do trade it. Nice. uh, and great job, Dakota. Great job. Pop him up. Up and up. So waiting, watching. Oh, good job. Plus 36. Sorry, I was distracted for a second. Great job, Dakota. Good. That's an awesome day. Beautiful. I've tried messing with Renkos a bit. Never found a perfect. But I know Chef's also trying some stuff with Renkos. Here we're coming down. So see, if I hadn't gotten out there though, I would have been like, this is like 10 minutes of action here. That I'll be like, hey, it's got to go back down as it went all the way back up to, above my entry point. Matter of fact, it would have stopped me out because I was in at 76, so it went up to 95. That would have stopped me out if I had stayed in it because I couldn't risk a 20-point stop. Just sitting here around 280. That, so far today, it's up good. Up 277. Yep, they've gone way further than I expected them to go. Like I didn't expect them to make the playoffs, and now they're in the NLCS. It's amazing. Um, I passed the earn. Well, I will be passing the earn to trade account with the algo. I just need to get a couple more days in. I'm at the profit target, and then once that's a funded account, the algo will be on it. Might be I need to take a trade on that today. So I should have that funded account like November 1st, and we'll be going from there. Still running multiple tests on it on sim accounts, looking for possible, possible advantages to certain things, profit targets, stop losses, ways to enter. Yeah, I think that when I had it on, I'm passing the earn to trade with 100% with the algo. It did 5 straight $1,000 days. So I know it's not going to always do that good. So I got to mitigate the days it does bad. But yeah, it's hopefully my ticket going forward on that account. Good. Yeah, because it seems like it's topped out right now. ES at 48. See if it's reversing here because it's not wanting to fall. It's back. NQ's back to 300. So we have about 15 minutes to go here. See if we get anything exciting. I mean, I've done 3 out of 4 wins today, so that's good. Definitely happy. The one loss was stupid. There was a couple of opportunities I didn't take advantage of. This wiki wick here, it would have led to that. And that one there after I took that stop. Yeah, you have to go for that. Burrow, that'd be awesome. Is that on an evaluation somewhere, Burrow, or is that just a, what? Or is that to take some profit out of what's that for? Cool, nice. Pulling down a little bit here. Yeah, it does look a little bit funny there. Definitely seems to be going in the right direction. Well, last call for likes. If you enjoyed today's content, I appreciate if you hit that like button if you haven't already. Lets YouTube know that you liked it. Lets YouTube know they should recommend it to others. It's a good idea, bro. Yep, I figured that's what you meant there. I didn't know why you would be calling it out. You profit! You profit! Down. Here might be the move down. So we've had down, consolidate slightly up, maybe down. What does the 1 minute show? 1 minute. Ooh, that looks like a down candle there on 1 minute, but we'll see. Yeah, it's gotten weird on NQ too. Up and down, up and down. Left and right, left and right. Good job, Speed Racer. Green is green. Good job sticking to your plan and your discipline. Looks like it's trying to rise back up here a bit. Well, question, Burrow. How many end up coming back that were like really big into profit, come back to that break even stop or even go back to being red? I'm just curious how much profit you're giving back, you know, 'cause I mean, right now you are up, what, 30 points? Which is huge for ES. But yet you're willing to give it all back. So I'm just, I'm like, if I gave back 30 points on ES, I'd be like, I would feel like that was a major loss, even if I didn't actually lose any money. Because I mean, with one mini, that's $1,500. Yep, coming down here. Might be the following the breakdown. That is a trigger candle. Oh, we're on a one, still in the 1 minute though. We're still not really breaking down too much. Yep, still just sitting here. I feel, I agree with Crypticon and Curon, the K-Boys, that we're going to come down here at some point. I just don't know where. I don't want to jump before it decides to get stopped out first. We are starting to run out of time on the stream. Have a great day, Crypticon. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Okay, well, I wasn't sure. I know you always talk about the break-even stop, so I wasn't sure whether or not, you let it come all the way back or not. I mean, I have tests set up myself on my algos for running break even versus a break even stop at a certain point versus just raw. It goes to profit target or it goes to stop loss. So, and it's the one that's raw usually does better, honestly. Although I think that's partially because it ends up getting into more trades if it stops break even, and those other trades can be bad. So, the raw seems to actually work better. But I don't think I could ever manually trade like that. It sucks because I'll go in the NinjaTrader and look at the stats, and I'll see one that went for a full stop out, and it was like 3 ticks from its profit target before turning around. This is where I'm interested in playing the reversal. We're into the bands here, strong candle up. We're still below the moving average on the RSI, which is near the top of the RSI, is 70.30. I think we're going to see the reversal here. I'm going to wait for the confirmation. Let's see what happens here at the top of the hour. Have a great day, Dakota. See you tomorrow. Stream will probably end here soon, but we're going to see whether or not we come back down here. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. Ooh, that's an interesting candle there on that. Wow, the 22-minute 1 minute candle. 22-minute 1 minute. We got 22.1 minute candle. Nope. Going higher again. We reached a pinnacle over here, 328. Let's see if it hits above there again. kind of interesting is NQ's about trying to reach the high of that recent move, whereas ES is still kind of trailing. It's 10 points away from that high of that move off the open, or that move that hit about an hour ago. I'm sorry. Whereas NQ is, or was, real close to topping that, but now reversal. There's possibly the reversal I was talking about. Quick move down there, 20 points. Back to our 3-minute chart. Yeah, yep, we just got a big dip. Big dipper. Down to 300 here on NQ. See if it breaks below 300. Our EMA is sitting at 275. Struggling to get too far down now, so we'll watch. Won't jump in until I have a better confirmation. And preferably a move below 300. There we go. There's the move below 300. We're going to take this short. This is a dangerous one because it could be jumpy here. 10 points might not be a big jump either. Hope it's reversing. Yep, this might take my profit for the day. I mean, I'll still be profitable, but not as much. Nearly as much. Let's see. It was a bad entry on my part. I hesitated. Stopped out. So, shouldn't have done it. Ending the day at only $68 now. It was up 277. If I had gotten in at the right time there, I would not have gotten stopped out. Honestly, I should have entered on that candle after we hit that third band. And there it goes. There it goes back down on me. It's jumpy. Very jumpy. So yesterday ended the day up $7. Today it's 68. By this point, I should be making enough to pay my bills by 2030. But now it does look like it's trying to come back up. That's a big wick down. And rising back up, so those are just ending up
ended up being just a quick move down. I would have gotten 10 points if I'd gotten it at the right point in time. My hesitation there killed me. I got in 4 points late, which was allowed me to stop me out before going down for 10. So we're going to call it there for the day. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Again, ignore the information about ShareVision on this end screen. I got to get that re-recorded. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'd love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on ShareVision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at ROxMarketTrading. Have a great day.